Inside Tesla's new $2.4 billion Cybertruck factory. Tesla is a clear leader in the electric vehicle industry. Tesla's new semi-truck is the talk of the town for a while now. The production of the Cybertruck is confirmed to begin right after the development of the new $2.4 billion Tesla factory. The budget and size of these trucks will leave your mouth hanging open, so get ready to be overwhelmed. What is a semi-electric truck and what makes it special? Welcome to the new YouTube video, ready to dive into the hot details of the semi-trucks and its new $2.4 billion cyber factory. Anyone who is chasing the history of Tesla's Cybertruck will know that this monstrous EV was actually first demonstrated in 2017. The specs assured left the public dazzled: a 500-mile range, incredible charging speed that will enable the truck to cruise through a range of 400 miles with 30 minutes of charging through the mega charger. Through the years, the news of the semi-electric truck has been very uncertain, considering the fact that the Model S and Model 3 have been making incredible purchases for the past few years. Initially, the production date for the semi-truck was set for 2019, but it has been postponed several times. The enormous production line in Nevada near the Tesla Gigafactory, especially for the production of these trucks, has been cooking up for some time now. Highly ambitious goals were set for the production of semi-trucks, but numerous hindrances, including the global pandemic, have slowed down this process. A truck designed to wipe out all existing models, that is exactly what the Tesla semi-truck to do. An all-electric 4-motor equipped monster truck is looking forward to adding a crazy twist in transportation. Let's get down to the basic specs. Just like Model 3, a semi-truck boasts 4 powerful electric motors, each powering a drive wheel. Due to this design, traction control is amazing. And you get the benefit of regenerative braking without the attachment of a trailer. This electric truck is capable of hitting 0 to 60 in just 5 seconds. No wonder Tesla got a reputation like this. For those wondering how the truck will perform with such a load, Musk has the answer for that too. Semi-truck expected to hit 60 miles per hour mark with 80,000-pound load in 20 freaking seconds as mentioned. Before the range of the vehicle is catch 2, and what else do you want from a semi-electric truck? Tesla also gives a million miles guarantee. No one can predict what Tesla has in its hidden vaults, although there are quite a few other electric trucks already out on the market. None of them can even stand a chance with a Tesla Semi and unparalleled efficiency, speed, performance, and safety features. This EV is expected to guzzle up any other challenging competitor who may rise in the near or even faraway future, and this Semi is now being produced in Nevada in a brand new factory near the existing Gigafactory of Tesla. Aren't you curious to take a peek into Tesla's new and shiny factory? If this is what you want, we are here to give you that. Buckle up your seatbelts. We checked into buzzing updates provided by the electric Tesla. The new factory is gearing up and construction a new production line sparks in Nevada. It's one of the biggest architectural structures on the earth. This is where Tesla produces its battery packs, cells drives units, and energy storage products. The new factory was spotted near the Gigafactory late in 2019 and early 2020. As of 2020, the site was still in developing condition. No source can confirm whether or not it was the production site of Semi's Electric, but earlier this year in March, Electric was able to confirm that the factory was going to be the low volume for Semi's production. Tesla has also announced that they were only planning for the production of limited volumes in 2020, but it never happened once the construction is completed. The factory is expected to boast a production capacity of building 5 semi-electric trucks per week. Would you want to look at that 5 trucks per week? Tesla is nothing but highly ambitious. Elon Musk has even made a statement that eventually Tesla could be produced 100,000 electric semi-trucks per year. The reported size of the factory is 500,000 square feet. Although there have been several plans discussed, it seems as if Tesla is planning to take the higher volume production of the truck to the Gigafactory at Austin. This will happen once the battery production in GigaAustin will be boosted in early 2020. Tesla announced Austin as its next Gigafactory destination. GigaAustin is the first Gigafactory that Tesla is building from scratch, with the new volume productions from several models of VVS planned here. This is surely going to be an enormous project that will go down in history. Recent reports state that the Gigafactory has been attracting hordes of workers and suppliers. Let's wait and see how this enormous project turns out. A small survey has stated that Tesla might build 50 semis at the end of this year. Although the initial goal was quite high, now it really sits in and the production of these trucks is getting delayed again. There are several reasons for the postponement of the production of Tesla semi-trucks, but the main issue is quite significant. First, let's get ourselves clear about the timeline of Tesla's electric semi in 2017. Prototypes of these trucks were showcased and the company announced that the production was about to start in 2019. Due to an unexplained issue, the production was delayed in 2020. Email from Musk to employees stated that production and deliveries of semi-truck will start in 2021. The email was sent in 2020. There is no solid proof for the production of semi-trucks. People were hyped up about the entry into the market only to be disappointed again. Now, if you are wondering why people are starting to expect the arrival of electric semi, all of you suddenly need to know another important piece of news. At the beginning of this year, around March, PepsiCo released a statement that they are expecting the arrival of 15 semi-electric trucks by the end of this year. Isn't that exciting? But now let's focus on the problems that are delaying the production. What is the main issue that is standing in the way of these trucks? Apparently, it's the lack of battery cells. This is a crucial issue. Musk has admitted that there has been a shortage of advanced tablets 4860 cells. Without them, production cannot take place. Cells are vital to the building of Tesla trucks, and Elon Musk and the team are focusing on the production of cells and packs as soon as possible. The battery pack is special. It takes less space compared to a traditional battery cell. This makes them considerably lighter. They also promise several times more energy storage capacity, called the Tesla ZVZ range. Now at the Austin Gigafactory, the cell production is now ramped up. So the production of semi-trucks can be shifted to Austin ASAP. Musk tweeted about the shortage of these cells, and it won't be the same next year. ＳHARE, as an official statement made by Tesla in July, confirmed that launch of semi-truck will take place only in next year. Sources report that the drive sales production line for semis has been done and dusted. Now it's the low-volume assembly line that needs work. Also cannot ignore the global pandemic that's played a key role in damping all types of businesses. Surely the pandemic also contributed its part to the delay in production of the Tesla Semi. This pandemic also enhanced shipment problems arising worldwide, with a problem like regional permitting on the rise. Tesla will surely find out it's difficult to get started on large-scale projects. There have been several prototypes of the Semi spotted throughout the year. It's just now a confirmed release date that has been declared. Hopes are high that by mid-2022, there will be quite some semis running around America. Surely that was a good ride. What do you think about the new factory near Giga, Nevada? Do you think Tesla will continue its low production? Let us know your thoughts on this matter in the comment section.